exercises. The question is, do our graduates make us proud? The answer is, we are extremely proud. My challenge now to the graduates is to make us prouder. On behalf of the AMA Education System, congratulations! That's your
This is Claire Martinez. Thank you for being with us. Most of all, we thank the Lord for His presence and guidance in all our undertakings and the undertakings of AMA Computer Learning Center. Thank you for your trust and confidence in